Hi folks, Chatbot Ninja Ian Wallace-Harper here, and it's time for a BizStackPro Basics. And what we're going to do today is we are going to do an automation to deliver a free ebook or free access to a course or something, email after someone has replied with a phrase or a word in that email, and as soon as it that they send that email and you receive it, this automation will send out the ebook for them, and it will also add a tag that that it's been sent, and it'll be shown in the CRM that they've got it. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to share my screen, and we're going to go to here, and then we're going to go back to here, and we're in the workflows. So here is the automation. We press on automation, and then we go to the folder, and I'm in my practice automations, and I'm going to create a workflow, and we're going to start from scratch. So we're going to rename it once it's done its job and started. We're going to rename it Ian's ebook per email flow. And we're going to say thank you, and then we're going to say we're going to need a trigger. We're going to get customer replied. Customer replied. Do that by adding CUS for customer, and replied is the trigger. Now, replied to email. Replied to email for freebie. Free gift. Okay. And then we're going to say, we're going to add a filter. The customer replied by email. So what we're going to have a look for is here, custom field, reply channel is email. Let's say email. And then we're going to add another filter, and we're going to say contains phrase. And I'm just going to put ebook in here. Now, we write this ebook. We can write it three different ways. We'll try it just in case somebody tries it by doing so. Ebook and all capitals ebook. That way we've got all three ways, and it'll catch it. And this is basically a catch through email. We're going to save that, and that's the trigger. The trigger triggers this, and we need an action after it. We're going to add a tag, add a contact tag, and we're going to call this ebook delivery. Done. Save it. If you haven't got it, you can add a new tag when you write it in here. Nothing comes up, then you can add it and save it. So we're going to save that. And then what's going to happen after that? We're going to set, you could say update an opportunity. So if they've opted in, they've got the first email, they've responded to your email, you can update it, and then you can say ebook sent. It could be that in a pipeline, you're sending them an ebook in the pipeline. That means that they've had the ebook, and it means that they are quite a warm lead. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to say send them an email, send the email to give them the access. Now, again, it's email freebie. Yeah, email freebie. I'm going to use my from name, and then we're going to go from the from email. The subject is freebie, free gift inside. From chatbot ninja. Okay, we're going to leave it at that. He knows, they know who it's coming from if you do that. And then we could use a template. I've got a template in there, but I'm not going to do that, because all we're going to do is we're going to your free gift is attached. If it's a link, you can add a link in here as well. So it could be then that they get an access to free course or a free trial or anything like that, and you put the link in here. Yeah, and then you're going to say thank you, and you're going to sign it with your custom value marketing, and then you're going to go your name, and you're going to say save. No, we're not going to save it yet, because we're going to add an attachment. So we're going to add the attachment. I'm going to go for the PDF, I'm going to use this one. It doesn't matter which one it is. You will attach your PDF. Yeah, and then we're going to save it. That's it. Basically, that's it, done. Now, what you're going to have to do now is make sure it's on publish, and we're going to save the actual thing. You could put other things in here, other actions in there. You could add a note that you sent an email, you sent the freebie. You could add a task to check back with them. What you could extend this and make it a really nice flow. I've already done that myself. I've made one where I can capture a catch-all, which is Facebook, Instagram, and email, plus sending out the freebie. And if you want to know how to do that, that will be in my automations course, which I will be selling at a later date when I've got it all ready and finished. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope this helps you build whatever automation you want. We're going to test it in a minute, and I'll show you how it works and that it works. So let's, we've got it saved, so we can now go back to the workflow. Did I put in ebook? Ebook is what it's called, isn't it? So if we go to my my test data, we go to this one, contact, and we'll go to Mario Brothers. Yeah, I've taken out all the tags again, so we can have a look, and we'll Inspire Freedom. So I need to go to my Inspire Freedom. Well, let's send him an email first. Let's go to here. We're going to say we'll send an email to him. And we're going to say a new email. Or you're going to email. And we're going to say, right. Hi. Send reply to this email with ebook with the phrase ebook, or with the word ebook, and I will and you a free gift. And then I'll say Ian, and I'm just going to send it. Okay, we'll send that. So no subject. I didn't put a subject line in there, but let's have a look, see whether Inspire Freedom has got it. Gmail. Inspire Freedom. Here we go. Inspire Freedom. The inbox. And there's my email. So, right. I'm going to reply to this one with a one word ebook. I'm going to send it. So he replied. Now we go back to BizStackPro, and it should show up at some point. Just came in. Yeah, just came in with the word ebook. There we go. So that is now on its way. And after that, the free gift from Chatbot Ninja with the PDF has now been sent. So if we look at Inspire Freedom again, we go to the inbox. There we go. And there is the PDF that we attached. So a quick delivery of an ebook, very simple, very easy to do. I'll stop sharing and I'll say thank you for that. I'll say thank you for you subscribing to my channel, of course, and also tapping the bell so you get notified when I get a video up, and also leaving a comment or what you think of it. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now. From me, Chat.Ninja, Ian Wallace Harper, and BizStackPro Basics.